In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Google Chrome. So let's get started. First thing, just open your Edge browser and search for Google Chrome download. You'll be having this official link from google.com. Click it, and here we are having the download Chrome option for Windows. Select this and the setup file will be getting downloaded. It's just around 10 MB in size. Open it, click on yes, and this will take some time to download and install. Just be patient. So after some time you will be automatically getting this interface. If you want to sign in with your Google account, you can do that. If you don't want, you can just click on don't sign in, and if you want to select Google Chrome as your default browser, you can do that by clicking it. If not, just click on skip, and that's it. We'll be having the Google Chrome browser ready along with the shortcut in your desktop. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.